Hello episodes, this is my new project Suzuki Max Underall Revamp, and these are all the chapters which I've categorized for this restoration project. And now we are in chapter 10, parts build up, and in that we are in part 2 with a side oil tank that is also called as pet oil. And this is a cap unit which comes with a rubber o-ring for sealant and the vent for the ventilation, and inside it has a strainer, and this is used to collect the debris and other dust when we pour the side oil. And other than that, it comes with float sensor, and for this you need a 32 spanner. And the concept is simple. It has a float unit which floats when we put oil or top up oil on it, and when it goes down due to gravity, this float comes and hits the bottom and close the terminal, and thus starts blinking the light in the instrument cluster, and we can know the level of the oil is too low and we have to top up. And other than this, we have a manual transparent oil level indicator. For this you need a 26 spanner. With this you can check whether the oil is too low or in medium level. And after this, it has a o-ring to prevent the leakage for this one, and the top float level sensor. And after that I completely cleaned it and dried it, and then you can use the petrol which I took from the fuel tank while restoration, and also you can use a diesel for cleaning. And then I put back everything, like the cap, the vent valve and the rubber o-rings, and then started installing the float level. And this is the one I said, when it hits the bottom, it closes the terminal, and thus it conducts a line, and then the light starts glowing. And this also comes with o-ring, and you have to tighten it with the 32 spanner. And other than that, like in previous models, some side oil tank came without this float level sensor, but my bike have a sensor, so I have a unboxing video in it, but finally I used this the old one, and I returned the product because mine have a sensor. Without this sensor it won't be nice, so I returned the entire a new part. The difference and other things are available in chapter 11 unboxing video. I cleaned this stainer with diesel with a toothbrush, and then I used the same thing. I can see the near the vent area and the assembly area, some parts were like broken, and I gave this to a fiber work shop, and it cost me like the equivalent price of a new side oil tank, but that came without sensor, so I was not satisfied with that, so I went with the old product itself. And put back these vent, and then put back the cap. That's all for this video, and see you in another video. Thank you.